Yo, yo, not your average Joe. We just jumped off the train in Edale. We're hiding under the bridge, waterproofing our packs up. Gonna go find some food, but then we're heading up the old favourite Grinsbrook. Got the missus with us. It's our first camping trip in 9 years. But yeah, get some food and then Grinsbrook for a wild camp up on Kinder. Let's go. You can too. Let's go. There we go, just got to the top of Grinsbrook. How's that, baby? Hard, wet and cold? Yes, hard, wet and cold. First time I believe we've ever bumped into rangers or mountain rescue or anything. Just bumped into Edale Mountain Rescue out looking for a young boy and his mum who got lost. Managed to cut maybe an hour and a half off their search because they definitely haven't come down where we've come up. So headed over to check Crowdon, which is where we were last time. Check that video out, link in the description. We're going to go find a camp spot. Oh, wind's picking up, driving in the fog, visibility's gone, but just about to see Labrador Rock behind me. Elmo's favourite rock. I'm not aware of this particular stone having a name, but from now on it shall be called Pig Snout Stone.
Pig Snout Stone.
I have never seen Crowdon running like this. This is pretty heavy. What you found, baby?
Umbrella Rock.
An umbrella rock.
I am currently dry. It is Umbrella Rock.
I am dry. So, just found a nice flat spot just past Edale Rocks, just before the Woolpacks. So, gonna get pitched up. Not gonna bother with the time lapse or anything. It's really wet. We want to get in the tent. We've only got about 45 minutes of light left, but let's get the tent up, get rested. So there we go, babe. There's our home for the night. I tell you what, that is the best pitch of this tent that we have ever had. We have flat ground and it's tight. and the wind stopped, as well as the rain. Should we get warm? Yeah. How do you like your eggs in the morning? I like mine in a tent. So it's been one of those trips. You have nice blue skies ahead by the looks of it. I just see legs and boots. There she is. So much for this sunny day, but at least we've got some nice views. Find the best pile of stacked rocks. That's some stacked rocks. Some very good stacking there by Mr. Pip. That is called Pip's chair. West Edge. This is us, babe, heading down towards Stony Ford along the Stony Road. As I say, I just need to update my ever-expanding fan base. Would you like to talk to them? Would you know where we're going?
We're going to go down Jacob's Ladder.
To?
Edale.
Yes! Little sheepies, don't run away. Barber's Booth Bridge was closed, so heading round the back of Edale Church, and that should bring us out pretty much near Edale Station. That is the cutest dance sign I have ever seen. Innit?
Yeah.
So I just got to Sheffield and the sun's come out. Typical. Oh well, Steffels got to be back for work. We're going to go find some food. We are ironically heading up towards Riggs, but I'm pretty sure it said he's working today. So yeah, let's go find some food and then get ourselves home. So we've just got back into Lincoln, walking down the waterway, and yeah, we'll say bye-bye till next time.